move ahead with some indicators now. Sorry, not indicators, chart patterns. Shall I start? Now I'll tell you. Whatever we are going to learn right now is super easy as what we did yesterday. Because yesterday it was about understanding what is ADX, what is RSI, what is MACD, what is Bollinger Band, what is this, what is that. It was not visually very clear unless until you first understood what it is, then okay, this is crossing there. Then it got a bit challenging to digest so many indicators back to back. But if I'm looking at the chart patterns, this is something which you can see visually. Okay. So I'm not going to even open any example, first I'll quickly explain all these charts back to back because this can be visually understood. What do I mean by a head and shoulder is what I'll start off with. Look at me. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Okay. So what's happening? The price, I don't want my hand to be cut from in the camera. Okay. So the price is increasing. Okay. Came here, decreased a little bit. So a big bounce, came down, again a bounce. So this is like a support line. 1, 2, 3. Can I say this is like a support line? And this is called as a neckline. Okay. Now tell me next candle, which you can see is this one. What can you say? Breakout, downward side. Ideally, the price will go down. Okay. You will never see this so clearly in the charts because there will be candles like this. Okay. But first I'll draw it for you the textbook one and then it will be easier for you comparatively to visualize. So now ideally it has to go down. Yes. The question is what will be my target price? Now for indicators it was difficult. That is why we had to struggle today in the morning. How to decide my target price? First I define the stop loss. Based on that I define the target price. Correct. Your target price stop losses are defined in chart patterns. So it is easier. Okay. Assume from the top till the neckline here. Assume this is 100 points. 100 rupees. Okay. Then as per the head and shoulders theory, it says you will get 100 points fall from here. This is my target price. Yes. Okay. So whatever is the height, the difference, this difference, same you have to copy, paste here, and this is your target price. This is your target price. And what is your stop loss? The latest shoulder ka high. See from here it can reverse now. Okay. And reverse still here again. So basically if you remember, it's a retest that is happening maybe. So that is the reason why I don't take it exactly or I wait for a percent or two because it may again go down from there. That is the reason why we spend so much time on retest and bounce. Don't tell me again the trend has reversed. Retest, bounce from the lower side. Possible. So don't take it exactly here. I generally prefer to wait for a percent or two from here to book my losses. Okay. Otherwise, theory says this is the stop loss point, the right shoulder. Simple. Textbook example here. Yes. What will be the exact reverse of this? Inverted head and shoulder means what? Shirshasana. What will happen in Shirshasana? 1. Then my head is below my shoulder and this is the neckline. So price went down, came up to the support level, so it came up to the resistance level, failed, came down drastically, again it's trying to test the resistance level, again it fell down, again it is testing the resistance level, and finally it broke the resistance with good volumes. Is this the breakout candle? Yes. Ideally it should go up or down? Up. How much up? What will you count distance between neckline to top point? Assume this is 150. Example, 150 points. What is your target? 150. Not from here of course. And here from here will draw the line now. Because here we have the breakout candle. So from here to here, this is again 150. This is my target. What will be my stop loss? Shoulder, this is stop loss. Theory. Practically I say 1 or 2% keep a buffer. So that it's not a retest. Easy. Let's see what we have taken in the notes. I'll take, because if you have understood this, inverted head and shoulder is similar. Double bottom and double top is also similar. Correct, no? Yes. So now if you see here, in our notes, see this is how I've drawn it in the notes. Is it there in the notes? Head and shoulder? Yes. So let's understand this one more time. Now instead of rounds, these are now lines. So here, this is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, breakout, target price is difference here. I'm adding up here and this should be my stop loss. Ideally, minus 1 to 2% below. Correct? Shall we check real life? Any example? RBM. Okay. Now you have to keep your mind open. Exactly, it will not be textbook. That is why I showed you textbook. How does it look like? But real life, left shoulder, right shoulder, exactly symmetrical, and here also. That's not going to happen. So you have to take it will come with more and more practice. So here if you see, this is like the left shoulder. This is like the head. Right shoulder is too wide. And here you can see as a breakout. But again, on a closing basis or an intraday basis breakout. We need it on a closing basis. Here, this candle I have stopped right now. It's a very cut to cut situation because this is intraday, no? This is closing basis. So just close maybe. This will give me higher conviction. Yes or no? Yes. Whatever is the distance here, I'm going to add up same here. Has the target been met also? Yes. Fair enough. Have you understood this? Yes. This is an example of failure. See, nicely, head, LJC, this is head, sorry, shoulder, head, shoulder. I want you all to tell me what did it fail. So I'm not sure if sorry. I'm just trying to zoom in. Did it fail? 3 back-to-back rows, okay. I'll change my question. Should you have taken the position? Should you have taken the position? No, why? This is the breakout candle. Oh, don't look only at the head and shoulder pattern. The pattern has to be broken out with good volumes. Then only you will have a success. And that too not every time. That is why I've taken this chart also. Wait, look at the previous chart also. Again, I'm taking you back to the previous chart. very strong resistance line in fact. Correct? And the resistance was taken and the stock started falling down. So head and shoulder pattern must be found in step number 1. And step number 2 super important. There should be a breakout candle with good volumes. Then only there will be chances of it going as a success. Correct? Can I go on? Moving to. Let's get again. See, because this is a bearish one, you'll see after some pages in the notes. All the inverse head and shoulder, it's a bearish one, right? So there was a left shoulder, there was a head, there was again a right shoulder, and then should there be a breakdown candle with big volumes? So breakout with big volumes? Yes. And look at this. Which chart is this? Copper futures. If you remember day 1, I told you the technical analysis need not necessarily work only on stocks, can work on anything which can be traded. And that is the reason why I've taken metals for futures and options. Okay, so if you see here, was there a proper left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and here you can see this candle, which was not really, but this rare candle you can see here, that is the actual breakout. Shall I zoom in? Here you can see there's a breakout, big red candle. Correct? And then starts the journey downwards. Let's see if the target has been hit. This was right. This target has almost been hit, see. So generally, don't wait till the target is actually met 100%. Because sometimes it might hit intra and come back. So maybe a percentage before that only you can enjoy the profit. Alpa Santushima. Okay, clear with this one. Now I'll show you one more fantastic. So she's saying, could the big green candle have been deceiving this one? But then I'll tell you the problem. See, this is a support. Is this a resistance line? No, this is a support line. The support got tested and it closed above the support. And then the support broke with big volumes, let us say. This green candle, if it had been at a resistance, then that is more important. So it is breaking the resistance. Here it's just giving a support to the support, but then the support is broken. Is it understood? Yes. Now one of the latest charts. Nifty chart. And this is around February that I'm talking about. I saw a head and shoulder pattern here. And every time I'm telling you, almost last 3-4 months, my Thursday live streams, I was telling, I'm not feeling that I should buy. I'm waiting. I'm not in right now in the market. Okay, last month I'd done a lot of shorts also in futures and options. But otherwise, stocks, as an investor, I was not investing. You see the reason of my Thursday live streams? Okay, there was a clear cut. Now, how did I draw this if you want to know? So for that, go to trading view. I have so many things in my chart, only I can see that. Is this visible? 1, 2, 3. Visible? How do I draw it? So for that, this one, no, too low. This one, too low. This one, hello. So one more time. This one, this entangled one. And you can see head and shoulders? Yes. So you just have to, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Left click, again a left click, again a left click, again a left click. See, now it's helping me to define a neckline. See, as I move the cursor, it's helping me to define a neckline. Correct? Again a click, again a left click, and this neckline has been defined here. See, I'm not defining the neckline, it is defining it for me. Correct? So I should be placing it here, somewhere here. Khatam. This was broken and see the red candle. Madly it has been taken out. And now if I want to measure how much fall can there be, so for that if you remember trend line Alt T, if I take it from the top, Alt T from the top, this top, right? Till what? Till the neckline, till the support line. How much percentage fall is this? Can you see here in brackets? 5.68%. So what do? Control C, Control V. I'll just put this from here to here. See this? 16,600. And this I got at 17,700. Okay. So last month I made decent enough money. By shorting all the futures. Okay, but of course I never go all in. Everyone knows my strategy. Even if I'm shorting a Nifty future, I will not go all at one shot. First I'll do only one lot. And maybe one more lot. Whatever. As per my risk appetite. There are some people, how much lots open position? Like 3 lots open position. 3? I have 50 lots open. There are people who trade madly 50 lots, 60 lots. Is equal to compromising your sleep. Don't have this dream of becoming overnight rich. Those people take 50 lots, 60 lots positions. One lot for Nifty. So basically it will be 50 ka size, na? So 50 ka size multiplied by, let us say it is 17,000. So roughly around 85,000 for one lot. And then you can see people are taking 10 lots, 20 lots. Of course, we have to pay margin money. So again, if I start margin and all that, that is F&O. 50,000 for margin money, 10%, let's say margin. Okay, so margin money again, there's a margin calculator for that. How much margin you have to pay? I just took that at 10%. So margin money calculator also available on that how to check that everything is in F&O course, not here. Okay. So have you understood this head and shoulder pattern? Everyone, how to calculate it? And with this you can get a feeling where this whole thing is going. If you're at least if you're not doing F&O, it's fine. Everyone need not do F&O, it's absolutely fine. But as an investor, you should be like, okay, wait for some time. I'll be sitting on the bench. I don't want to be active right now. That's it. Is this clear? Yes. Can we go on? So this was the Nifty pattern and I showed you how to calculate how to draw the head and shoulder. How do I do that? Only left click, left click, left click, left click, left click. It automatically designed the neckline for me. And I have to see, acha neckline is done, khatam. Or what is the second important thing? Breakout candle. It has to be there. And big breakout candle is like, maza aayega. Could there be a retest? There could be a retest. Don't get scared. There could be a retest and then it might fall down. Many people book their losses there. And then they keep on going after that it will go. Okay? Chalo. So if the head and shoulders is understood, now 2 more very, very, very super simple patterns coming up for you. I'll go back to the same page.
एक दिन बढ़ा दिया मेरा.
See, what is the next one? Double top. And followed by what? Double bottom. Double bottom and double top. You want to tell me what is double bottom? It's like a W. Double bottom is like a W. Can I have this?
तुम्हारे सामने उसने क्या बोला तो सजेशन किया ना सारा कुछ. फिर
So understand this. 1, 2. What is this? Double bottom. And what is this line?
होगा ऐसे नहीं होगा
Support line. The stop loss falling, it took a support here, it retraced, again took a support, still going higher. Okay, and this could also be like a resistance also, na? And it can go upwards also. Zup. So W and a breakout. Double bottom and a breakout. Correct? And what could double top look like? M. So there was the stop went up, took a resistance, came down, again took a resistance, came down, and now this is also broken. Okay? Shall I show you how does it look like?
मतलब बड़े हैं इतना कितना स्पून पीते हैं सुबह
See here. Have a look at this again, please pay attention. So this was first bottom, took a resistance, again a bottom, again a resistance. So this is like a support as I mentioned. But what is important? It breaks this resistance. This is important. In double top, the resistance should be broken. It's a bullish pattern, it's not a bearish pattern. So again, let's understand for the W it's a bullish. Remember this. We'll go back here. What did I draw? W, correct na? What did we draw? First it's a W. And then it's a it's a breakout. This is important. And here it will be another breakout, but on the lower side. So this is bearish pattern. This is bullish pattern. Clear? Now let's understand how to set the target price. Target price setting is also very easy. It has been defined in the pattern. Target price basically you have to calculate the gap here. This gap from the bottom to the top, from the support to the resistance. How do I calculate? Scale. I've got you only one scale. The scale measure. Assume this is 80 points. What is my target? 50 points from here. And what is my stop loss? Midpoint. Midpoint will be my stop loss. 40 का. So basically again a risk reward ratio. 1 risk, 2 reward.
जो बात करनी कर कहता मैं तो बोल दिया उसको कि कोई टाइम नहीं बढ़ा कोई कुछ नहीं हुआ सब कुछ वैसे ही है अब तेरे को दिक्कत क्या तू ये बता पर्सनल दिक्कत बता क्या वो कर रहा मेरा था चौहान वो कर रहा है
Here, this vertical line, where can you draw the question? Yes, anywhere. From here, anywhere. It's almost going to be the same. Okay, and tell me, how do I draw for the double top? You have to guide me. Financial advisors, double top. Then first, how do I calculate my target price? From here to here, I'll calculate. This is like 70 points, example. Then from here to here, again 70 points. This is my target price. Stop loss halfway through, 35. After MACD RSI, your is a chiller, na? Shall we check the charts? Yes. So you have to look out for M's and W's now. Double tops and double bottoms. So first, we'll check out double top, bullish. Okay. This is a Nifty 50, a little bit another one. See here, 1, it came down. Another 2, came down. It's a Malay na. So here, the double top will be something like this actually. नहीं. So it's a double bottom example ना. मला जमत का नाही काढायला. कच्ची झाला मला कॉन्फिडन्स. हाय लेवल मराठी कच्ची झाला कॉन्फिडन्स. Okay, so this is 1, 2. Either this can be a breakout or again let's see this is not a very clear W formation. Okay. Again very much open-minded is required here. So it can be something like 1, 2 and then a breakout, something like this. But I can surely say that this was the this was the support line in the shorter time frame. Yes, somewhere around 1, 2 and it has given a big breakout. See here there is a retest also. Correct na? Bounce, sorry, breakout, retest and sub. Is this okay? Yes. Can we go on? One more example maybe. This is much clearer. See, is this double bottom visible now? Can you see the W? 1, 2. This W is much more clearly visible. Okay, so this is my support. I calculated from here to here what was the price, and this was my target. Easy. Where was the stop loss? Somewhere here, halfway through. This is my stop loss. Here it never. This is. Okay, I will not take one. I think this is clear, na? Okay. Shall we check double top now? Double top. Oh, this is more of a triple top. Yes, see, more of a triple top rather than a double top. 1, 2, 3. Again, triple top formation is also there. Like we have double top, we have triple top. Like double bottom, we have triple bottom also. Basically, what is happening? That line is being tested time and again. That's it. Nothing else. Correct? So here there was a triple top. This was the support line, and this is. See here you can see it's broken. This one. This is broken. See this one. Oops, sorry. Everyone, yes. And whatever is the difference here between this resistance line and the support line, this I'm going to draw here. This is my target. Almost it. In simple words, it's as good as. Okay, tell me the logic. The stock tried to go up, failed. It tried to go up, again failed. It tried to go up, failed. This is a sideways trend. Very good. And the sideways trend is broken but on the lower side. And that is why it's going to ideally go down. Correct? Now tell me the logic of triple bottom. 1, 2, 3 and breakout. Who can tell me what is this? Sideways trend. Again sideways trend only, na? Sideways trend, but there's a breakout at the upper end. And that is why ideally price should go up. Now is the question. Let's answer this. बरं. तुझ्या भावाला मी आधीच ओळखल्या. बरं. Can we go on? अरे आत्ताच पुसलो मी. He wanted to click a picture. 1, 2, 3 and broken. Target. And 1, 2, 3. नहीं चुकलो. This is better. 1, 2, 3 and for those who are watching online, if you take a screenshot, you will get a warning. Screenshot not allowed. Okay. Okay. Done? Yes. Examples are also clear. like a failure. Correct, no? One top, another top. It broke the line, but back to back with the bullish candle, came back, and then more sideways. One more time it broke, but this is again an inside candle, and then never happened. That is the reason why you should have your stop losses right, halfway through. Right? Understood? Let's move on to the last pattern before we break. A very simple and interesting one. A candle type which is where it will be very difficult for you to close your mouth. You want to like last two. One is a cup and handle, and one is a rounding bottom. Rounding bottom is like wow formation, super wow formation. Like cup and is both what is column and up. It's like a U, correct, na? If I'm talking about a rounding bottom, it has to be something like a U, correct? And it did a U, and then again retest and bounce. So this is nothing but what, a cup and the handle. And then what happens? By the way, is this like a resistance then? And then there is a breakout. I'm not going to tell you how to calculate the target price. You'll be able to tell me how. This to this, assume 80 points. This to this. It has to be this to this, roughly. Okay, 80 points. And stop loss. Handle ka low point. This can be like stop loss. This is target. Very simple. Sometimes you can see designer candles also. Designer handles also. Because it's not going to be textbook or something like tick, designer handle. Okay, it's not necessary. It has to be perfectly like this. This is cup and handle. You want to show how to calculate target price? How to fix a stop loss. Now coming to rounding bottom. I'm going to show you examples of both. Rounding bottom feature, typical feature is that it has to be longer round. Typically we say weekly or monthly frame. As a specialty of rounding bottom. This is the only chart pattern where I'm saying please don't focus more on daily candle. Focus more on weekly or monthly candle. Bigger the rounding bottom, faster the breakout is going to be and faster the target is going to reach. Okay, this can be like a multi-bagger chart pattern. Minimum 100% returns. Minimum 100% returns. Okay, so what is going to happen? Big rounding bottom, something like this. I'll just draw it from here. So can I rub this off? So what do we mean by rounding bottom? Just see this. This big rounding bottom. And this time frame, by the way, can be like 7 years. We are talking about monthly candle, na? It's struggling. It got the stock got listed here. Since the listing day, it is only going down and down and down and down. And we're like, ye. It completes its rounding bottom means almost after 7 years. Mera piya girl, about the IPO price, finally, after such a long wait. All might not have seen so much intizar for Dev, but finally it has come and there's a breakout. Okay, now this guy, itna intizar sabar khatam beta, is rounding bottom. Then there is a breakout, and this breakout is going to give you like, this is also going to be very high. So it has madly fallen down. Utna to upper pakka milna. And in fact, I'll keep a stop loss at around 10 to 15%. So I'm expecting 100% returns. I'm keeping a stop loss at 10 to 15%. Super risk reward ratio. If you get this, it's like amazing. What is it? I hold it. You want to see live examples? Reliance Power. I showed Tata Power because I remember that. My husband was sleeping. And I said, you remember your bought that stock which was sleeping forever. And then it has gone back. He was deep asleep. And I said, get it, you know the stock. Tata Power. Adani Power. Again went out to sleep. But in that deep sleep, I stayed on because of the pain for 7 years. Okay, now I'll show you the movement of Adani Power. Kadai aa rahe, kya baat hai? Kadai pattern. Okay, wait. So, trademark, we should put a trademark for that. Okay, wait. Daily? No. Monthly candle. Clearly visible, no? Very clearly visible. And now look at the time frame. This is 2010. Okay, went down, and here you can see this breakout candle in 2022. One was. Right? How much is this? 482%. That's his choice. Is he going to wait for 482%? He's saying, obviously, I waited for 2 years. I will wait for 482%. Because he got the IPO of this one. It was IPO allotment case. IPO allotment. Look at the two things. So he's saying IPO price was around 100, but discounted and got a discounted listing at 90. And since then, but 482%. Okay, now let's see what has happened here. So now if you see here, if I just do copy, paste. Done. So if you are still holding, you may book your profit or possibly able to trail your losses. Trail your losses. This is loss of profit, not actual loss. We can start trailing now. Amazing, huh? I hope you enjoy this video. He has few more examples close to his heart, it seems. Tanla Solutions, Tanla Platforms. Not Tanla Platforms. IPO again. He got it in IPO at 2008. Wow. And look at this. Okay. And look at this year in 2020. Again 12 years tapasya. Acha. How much is this? Wait. 1,260%. No. 12,670%. I should have seen this percentage. I never saw the percentage. I was just, that's my problem. Being a teacher, I just keep on studying and studying and studying. This never came into my mind. I was happy married. See, this rounding bottom, of course, see, you have my studies on directly. I don't draw this right now. It's all right now. मेरा ध्यान percentage पे नहीं गया था. See, I have 4 chance. Rounding bottom complete, done. How much money he earned? My focus is not right now. I'm getting the focus in the class now. Okay. अभी ना, अभी आगे. Oh, look at this. Ah. This one. This is the 52 car. 2,100. All crores are flying since then. Still making profit. So even from the IPO price, this is 12,000%. No, this is not 100%. Why? Oh, not percentage wise. 1 rupee or 2 rupees ka 1,000 rupees is going to be 3%. But 1,000 rupees ka 12,000% is like maddening, na? So we are looking in times terms. One point. Correct? Have you understood this now? So if you see, again I'm just zooming this in. How much points I should check actually? This is 386 points. So let's see this. This is 9 rupees, everyone. And from 9 rupees to 398 rupees. Correct. So 386. If it is the same one, as I said, multiple, it has to be double. So I'm expecting at least 386 points from here. So even if this is my entry point, the next line, from 386 I'm rounding it off to 400. Still, this was achieved. 800. But from 800, like we are seeing this, it went up to much more money levels. But right now, it's coming. So can you see visually a channel of support? Visually, can you see a channel? Everyone? Can I say this can be like the support channel? Sorry. Alt H. Or even this. So somewhere here to ideally take a support. And maybe do some kind of reversal. She's asking why did we keep this in stock in his portfolio? Because was it fundamental stock? Is that the reason why have you kept it in your portfolio? Possibility number N. He's saying for other fundamentals. It's just the name because of which he has kept it. And exactly the same old theory, day one theory. He became an investor, but now a happy investor. But that's not the who's that one? One by the charm. All right. Chalo. So, oh, can this happen with 197 Paytm? He has high hopes. But maybe if अभी तो plan बन रहा है, ये वाला plan बन रहा है. Then there will be 10 years का miss. Then the last 2 years of proportion फल में आने वाली, and then break out. So too early to pray for. Correct. But unlike this IT, power also is very much. So that is a fundamental analysis again. Which sector? Interlinked. Surely it is. Enjoy the rounding bottom. Yes, it's fantastic, right? कड़ाई पैटर्न. Bamboo pattern. अच्छा, स्क्वायर पैटर्न. अब बंद करना है bamboo सर. Okay, the last one. Okay, which we have already done. Cup and handle. Let me just quickly show you examples. These are not as fascinating as rounding bottom. Let me just set your expectations right. So chart patterns. This is the last one. Cup and handle. Okay, see this is the cup and handle pattern. Yes. The big 1, 2. This is my target. Whatever this is my target. This is my stop loss. Correct? Now if you see Reliance Industries again. This is the designer cup which has 2 compartments. The cup itself has 2 compartments. 1, 2, but a little bit here also. Okay, so for the time being, let's ignore this middle part, the compartment of the cup will ignore. But still, it is clearly a cup and handle. Okay, and whatever was this one, it moved to here. Okay. Absolutely, this can also be like a double bottom. Why not? Very true. You're getting it. Nice. HDFC Bank. Bharat designer cup. And then this liquid handle. And from here, 1, 2, this was not really met. It went more into a sideways trend. Maybe because the cup was too designer, it never hit it. It's a Bitcoin chart. That is why I'm looking at her. Crypto investor. I'm also a crypto investor, but not as pro as her. 1, 2. Actually, it's a very perfect cup and handle, But whatever I've seen till date, because I also try to do a lot of technical analysis on cryptos, the failure rate for technical analysis is very high. It's highly unpredictable, basically. Highly volatile, highly unpredictable. So if you want to invest, SIP can be the only mode. Gauging it, understanding it, okay, triple top form, triple bottom form, hardly it will work. So the strike rate of success is very bad. In fact, like you might have seen on my YouTube channel also, I do some education videos on cryptos as well. So I recently had a discussion with the technical analysis expert of crypto, of Coin26, of CoinSwitch Kuber. Sorry. And the guy from CoinSwitch Kuber also said that no, nothing, don't look at this cup and handle, triple top, triple bottom, nothing. Better look at other stats. So he showed me a few other stats which I'll do in my coming video, but nothing of this stuff works. So be careful if you're how many people trade crypto? 1, 2. Okay. So be careful, don't. You can just do your analysis and see which one is working better. Maybe you can do some backworking, strategy testing. But to whatever I have seen, it doesn't work really well. Okay? Interesting chart patterns, isn't it? Yes? I think the most loved one was rounding bottom though. Alright, so we take a break. Break your bath. We'll move ahead with the last session.